The balance transfer struggle, waiting for Capital One's check? Hey everyone! Have you ever stared at your credit card statement, that number mockingly climbing higher every month, and wished there was a way to escape the clutches of high interest? That's where balance transfers come in, a financial superhero swooping in to move that debt to a lower interest rate card, giving you precious breathing room. But here's the thing, after you initiate a balance transfer, particularly with Capital One, you might find yourself in a new kind of anxious waiting game. Where's that check? When will it finally arrive to pay off your other card? Fear not, fellow credit card warriors. We've all been there, and this video will shed light on the mysterious timeline of Capital One's balance transfer checks. The all-important approval. Before we delve into delivery times, let's rewind a bit. The first hurdle is getting your transfer approved by Capital One. They'll consider your creditworthiness, the amount you want to transfer, and any ongoing promotions. Make sure your credit score is in good shape and the transfer amount stays within their limits. Processing speed, not instant magic. Okay, you got the green light. Here's where things get interesting. Capital One might process the transfer on their end immediately, but that doesn't mean your other creditor receives the funds instantly. It's like sending a carrier pigeon. It takes time for that precious check to reach its destination. The waiting game, anticipation by mail. So, how long does this waiting game typically last? Buckle up, because it can vary depending on a few factors. Here's the breakdown. The mighty mail system, Capital One typically sends the balance transfer check via snail mail. Depending on your location and mail service efficiency, this could take anywhere from 3 to 10 business days. Yes, you read that right, business days, so weekends don't count. The electronic option, if available in some cases, Capital One might offer electronic transfers for balance transfers. This can significantly speed things up, with the funds reaching your other creditor within a couple of business days. However, this option isn't always available, so be sure to check during the initiation process. Proactive patience, stay ahead of the curve. While you wait, there are ways to be proactive and avoid any interest rate surprises. Contact both sides, reach out to Capital One to confirm the transfer request and estimated delivery timeline for the check. Additionally, contact your current creditor and inform them of the upcoming balance transfer. This helps ensure a smooth transition and avoids any late payment penalties. Don't neglect minimum payments. Even though the transfer is in motion, interest might still accrue on your original balance until the transfer is complete. Make sure to continue making at least the minimum payment on your current card to avoid additional debt. The big payoff, patience rewarded. Once the check arrives, prioritize sending it out immediately to your other creditor. Keep a copy of the check and any confirmation receipts for your records. Finally, after a, hopefully not too long, wait, you'll see that transferred balance reflected on your Capital One statement, with a much more manageable interest rate. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.